6 seconds to go, and the first rates any second will just pop up on your screen. First rates, Wednesday morning, day ahead of its time. Flat start, flat start, flat start. Flat for Nifty, flat for Sensex, flat for Bank Nifty. No one should complain actually. I mean, flat start is actually good news. The breadth is also not looking phenomenal, which is okay. I mean, breadth is not looking phenomenal, but nobody is expecting anything phenomenal. You want to address newsmakers. The newsmakers are Tata Consumer, AU, Tata Consumer, despite good set of numbers, no movement so far. But I think the stock had run. AU, not great numbers, but the market reaction is nothing very scary. In fact, there is uptick in the last tick. And then you have to look at Zomato, not a newsmaker, but the star in terms of the price and the volume action yesterday. And the follow buying is not there. Gland Pharma, I would imagine an ET now impact there. It should be an ET now impact there. If one large owner is not looking at selling their stake in Gland Pharma, the supply in the short term completely gets rebalanced.
But a lot of action in the broader markets. It's Mahindra CIE which is flying away in the trading session for now. 8% higher, a result reaction coming in when the margins expanded by 200 basis points. And then comes the entire Gujarat PSUs. So GSFC, GNFC, JSPL, Gujarat Alkali, all of these counters are up anywhere between 5 to 10%. RVNL continues that solid momentum. It's up another 8% today. So after the 30% run up we saw with the last two trading sessions, RVNL has piled on gains of over 8% today. You also have BSC, which is continuing the momentum. On the downside, MCX is in focus. The CTO has resigned due to personal reasons. The market is not taking it well, a cut of 5% there. And Rallis India, where it was a very, very disappointing set of numbers, is also getting a bit of a drubbing, 4% cut. VSC Industry is also lower by around 3.6% as the company reported a weak set of numbers. Ipca Lab continues the downtrend. Let's see if Crompton Consumer is bouncing back today. The street did not come all the more positive, but the stock is at least holding on to the levels of around 260. And let's pull up Dalmia Bharat as well, because that reported a weak set of number, at least on an operational basis. So opening with a bit of a cut, but then there are bigger cuts from the likes of Shree Cement and other cement names, because probably the street was expecting that margins are expected to be better. But the first number coming in from this entire pack was not very enthusing. So it continues to be RVNL, the Gujarat PSUs, as well as the result reactions that are the big focus points as of this point of time. Nifty pretty much flat, 17,769, though the market breadth is looking prettier.